Today, here we are going to discuss what do you mean by nested list. Here you may observe what indicate a nested list. Nested list means we are having the different types of order list, unordered list, definition list. We can nest it within the another list. What are the different types of list we have? That means here we can say that take any kinds of list, order list, unordered list, or definition list. We can nest it here. Here we are going to discuss one example, and we are going to discuss the executions, or we are going to perform the executions of nested list, how it is executed, or what is the output of nested with suitable example. Here you will find the UL. It is a type equals to dix. What types here we have declared? It is a type of dix type. Now again you may find that here you have observed the li UG course. Li indicate the elements. Okay, UG course. What types of elements here you required? UG course. And the type of dix here, type here we have taken is a dix. Type is attributes and dix is a value. Now OL type. OL is called as a order list. Type I. What order list here we have taken? OL. Here we have taken the combinations of UL and OL. Now here you may observe the OL type equals to I. What types here we have taken? Type equals to I. Now again here we may observe Li, B, CSE. What these are the three different elements. What are the first element? B A CSE, B EC, and B electricals. We have right here under the Li tags. Okay, now after if you write the elements, it must be the OL tag, and it is under the type of I. That means I first, second, third. Okay, and it is a type OL type indicated dix type. PG is again indicated dix type. Okay, and under what are the different types of sub element? It is indicated by Roman I, first, second, and third. Okay, in first way, here we are going to this types is dix, and sub element is indicated by I. Again second types, here you may observe that the Li PG course Li OL type equals to I, where we written the sub elements ME, CSC, MCA, MBA under that OL type. Okay, now we are going to execute it. Here you may observe the output. Okay, open this file. We have opened the file is opening. Now here you may observe the output, combinations of UL tag and OL tag. Here you may observe UG course B is indicated by first, second, third, as we showing the code. View source page. Here you may observe type dix. What types here we have taken? Dix type. Here you may observe we have taken the dix for the PG course. That means what are the main elements here, and sub we have indicated by the first, second, and third. That is called indicated by Li. B, it is a type indicated by I. Okay, so it indicated by I. Again same PG course, we have a type is indicated I, that is called as the first, second, third. What are the remaining elements? If we have again one elements, then it is indicated fourth element. Okay, it shows the fourth element. So it shows the output related to course. Okay, so what here we have discussed UL tag and OL tag. The nested tag is used to orderly what are the nested tag here we have? We can nest order, unorder, and definition list. Okay, so this is related to nested list. We have performed one practicals. Okay, we have executed and we have observed the output, how it is observed. Now we are going to summarize it. Nested list is indicated here. UL type dix. Again here we have the sub element UG course, which is indicated sub element type equals to I. Okay, first, second, third elements. When close the OL tag, here we have open the OL tag, here we close the OL tag, and all the element it may be under the it is under the UL tag. Okay, so here we open the UL tag, all the elements is the types of dix. Okay, What are the different elements under the OL tag? We have that under the DIX. Okay. OL here we have DIX, UG course is under the DIX, PG course under the DIX, and what are the sub element here we have declared OL type equals to, it is 1 2 3 4 5. What are, how many declarations we have given? Okay, so it shows the nested list. Okay, so thank you.